guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media here. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, my name's Caleb. I do a lot of automotive content, and for the entire month of February, I'm going to be doing daily uploads, so stay tuned. So in this video, I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks for handheld video while shooting cars, trucks, anything automotive. Just a couple things to help you guys out when you're out there shooting your cars, your clients, whatever. So I'm super excited to announce that I do have a sponsor for the channel. He's the first sponsor and a really good friend of mine. His name's Nick Shearer, and he is the owner of Second Armament Apparel Company, which is a lot of the stuff that I like to rock all the time anyway. So I'm super excited that he's on board with the channel. He's also given me a discount code for you guys. So it is Black Pearl 10, all caps. I'll put it in the description along with a link to his website. So go check him out, grab some shirts. They're really, really awesome. Good quality, American made. I really like it.
My name's Nick Shearer. I'm the owner of Second Armament Apparel Company. We're your #1 source for Second Amendment American made apparel. And this is my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. A 2020 Jeep Gladiator Overland. What makes it a Overland is the full leather interior, heated seats, heated steering wheel, all the creature comforts, 33-inch Toyo tires with a full fuel rim package, poked out the wheels like 2.5 inches from factory, full LED package, headlights, taillights, interior, all that jazz. The color is Sting Gray. We were pretty set on that color. The color combo with the Second Armament badges just really kind of popped.
Just asked me if I had a beanie and I said no. And my ears are cold because this one's, oh, this looks sick. I want this one.
Yep.
Oh, yo, this is awesome. Thank you, Nick.
Hell yeah.
Oh, it's so much better.
Made in America, 100% off.
Woo, all right. Now we're cooking with fire here. Okay, so my first tip for shooting handheld is to get yourself into 120 for your frame rate if you have that capability. If you don't have 120, go into 60, something a little bit slower, because when you have slower footage, you can get away with smoother footage in the post-production, and that's pretty much the name of the game. You want smooth, concise video. So I have 120 capability, so I'm gonna put myself in that and adjust my settings so I get my lighting correctly. Okay, so I have my settings here. I like to find a solid stationary object like a tree for a nice reveal shot for the first shot. So we got the Jeep pointed out here. What I'm gonna do is reveal the Jeep from behind the truck, or from behind the tree. And that should be pretty good. You can do this a couple times to make sure that you get the right angle. You can even try the other side if you want. All right, so that's looking pretty good. So I will say another tip would be to take a lot of footage, a lot of extra footage. You don't want to get into post-production and find out that you have too little footage to choose from. The more you have to choose from, the better it's gonna be. So there are gonna be shots where you're gonna wanna move in to your shot and move out to your shot, have like a pushing, pulling, zoom kind of a deal. So when you're holding your camera, you don't have the stabilization of a gimbal. So what you wanna do is you wanna do something called the ninja walk. And the ninja walk is when you step heel to toe. It looks a little something like this. So you get into your position, and when you walk heel to toe. You want as many points of contact as possible on your camera. You don't want to be out maybe shooting with one hand. You start getting fatigued because of the weight of the camera, so you add a second hand. All right, so that's pretty good. So what you want to do then is you tuck your arms in, and if you want to be even more extra, you got a lot of stabilization here, but if you put your eye to the viewfinder, then you have another point of contact. So when you're shooting cars or trucks and you want to be videoing them from a lower position because it gives it more of a dramatic look, so I like to get down and do some panning shots just from down low. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to point out is going to be using your hips as like a slider. So if you look, if you are just filming and you go, you know, left or right, which is fine, but there's some instances where you want to be close to the vehicle and get a shot. So what I'll do is I'll shift my weight this way and I'll use my hips as a pivoting point to move around the object. So let's try and do that with the headlights here. Just like this. Unfortunately, because of the cold, the batteries are dying very rapidly. So those are the tips that I have for now. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more of these videos coming out to give you more tips and tricks, and enjoy the video of the Gladiator.